Protein is crucial for building muscle. It's like the bricks and mortar of a house. Without enough bricks, you can't build a strong house. Without enough protein, your body can't build strong muscles. Protein is made up of amino acids. Think of these as the smaller building blocks. Your body uses these amino acids to repair and build new muscle tissue. This process is especially important for bodybuilders. Lifting weights creates tiny tears in your muscles. Protein helps repair these tears and make your muscles bigger and stronger. So if you're serious about bodybuilding, you need to be serious about your protein intake. Imagine your muscles are like construction workers. They work hard, lift heavy things, and sometimes get a little banged up. That's where protein comes in. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into those tiny amino acids. These amino acids act like little repair crews. They rush to the damaged muscle fibers and start rebuilding them. This repair process doesn't happen overnight. It's like a construction project. It takes time and consistent delivery of materials or protein to complete the job. The more you challenge your muscles in the gym, the more protein they need to recover and grow. So, make sure you're feeding your muscles enough protein to keep those repair crews working overtime. Now let's talk about where to get this muscle-building protein. The good news is, you've got options, lots of them. There are two main categories of protein sources, animal-based and plant-based. Animal-based proteins, like chicken, beef, and fish, are considered complete proteins. This means they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are also great sources of protein. Some, like quinoa and soy, are even complete proteins. The key is to include a variety of protein sources in your diet. This ensures you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Let's break down some of the best animal-based protein sources. These are staples for a reason. Meat. Think chicken breast, lean beef, turkey, and fish. These are all packed with protein and other essential nutrients. Eggs. Don't just eat the whites. The yolk contains important nutrients too. Eggs are a versatile and affordable protein source. Dairy milk, yogurt, and cheese can all contribute to your protein intake. Look for low-fat or Greek yogurt for a healthier option. Remember, quality matters. Choose lean meats and poultry whenever possible, and opt for wild-caught fish over farmed fish when you can. Section 5. Plant-based muscle builders, beans, lentils, and more. Don't worry, plant-based eaters. You can build muscle too. There are plenty of plant-based protein sources that are just as effective. Beans and lentils. These are nutritional powerhouses. They're high in protein, fiber, and complex carbs. Plus, they're cheap and easy to make. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame. These soy-based products are complete proteins and incredibly versatile. You can add them to stir-fries, salads, or even smoothies. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great sources of protein and healthy fats. They make for a convenient and nutritious snack. Quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein and a good source of fiber. It's a delicious and healthy alternative to rice or couscous. Section 6. Protein supplements, a convenient boost. Let's be real, it's not always easy to hit your protein targets through food alone. That's where protein supplements come in handy. Whey protein. This is a popular choice for its quick absorption rate. It's a great option after a workout to kickstart muscle recovery. Casein protein. This type of protein is absorbed more slowly. It's a good option to take before bed to provide a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. Plant-based protein powders, pea protein, brown rice protein, and soy protein are all great options for those following a plant-based diet. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement your diet, not replace whole food sources. Focus on getting most of your protein from whole foods and use supplements as needed. Section 7. Calculating your protein needs, a simple guide. So, how much protein do you actually need? Well, it depends. Factors like your weight, activity level, and bodybuilding goals all come into play. A good rule of thumb for bodybuilders is to aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. For example, If you weigh 180 pounds, you should aim for 144 to 180 grams of protein per day. Now, this is just a general guideline. It's always best to consult with a registered dietitian or a certified sports nutritionist to determine the optimal protein intake for your individual needs. Section 8. Timing your protein intake. Maximizing muscle growth. It's not just about how much protein you eat, but also when you eat it. Here's how to optimize your protein intake for muscle growth. After your workout, your muscles are primed for protein synthesis after a tough workout. Aim to consume a protein-rich meal or shake within an hour of finishing your training session. Throughout the day, instead of cramming all your protein into 1 or 2 meals, try to spread it out evenly throughout the day. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Before bed. Consuming casein protein before bed can help promote muscle protein synthesis overnight. It's like giving your muscles a protein boost while you sleep. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure you're consistently fueling your body with enough protein throughout the day to support muscle growth and recovery. Section 9. The risks of inadequate protein intake. Not eating enough protein can seriously hinder your bodybuilding progress. Here are some potential consequences. Decreased muscle mass. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Without enough protein, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. Slower recovery. Protein helps repair muscle damage after workouts. Inadequate protein intake can lead to longer recovery times, increased muscle soreness, and an increased risk of injury. Reduced strength and performance. Protein is crucial for muscle function. Not eating enough protein can lead to decreased strength, power, and overall athletic performance. Fatigue and weakness. Protein plays a role in energy production. A lack of protein in your diet can contribute to feelings of fatigue and weakness. Section 10. Fuel your gains, the importance of protein. So, there you have it. Protein is absolutely essential for bodybuilding success. It's the building block of muscle. It helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue, and it supports muscle growth and recovery. Make sure you're eating enough protein from a variety of sources, both animal-based and plant-based. Spread your protein intake throughout the day, and consider using protein supplements when needed. Remember, consistency is key. Consistently fueling your body with enough protein will help you achieve your bodybuilding goals and build the physique you've always wanted. Now get out there and crush it!